In this tutorial, you will learn how to use the featured page custom widget that is included in the Paramount theme. This is a custom widget that can be used on the website's homepage. It comes with 3 layouts and in 2 color palettes. Start by opening the Customize page. Open the Widgets panel and then the Homepage Spotlight panel. Click on the Add a Widget button and select the HT Featured Page widget. Now select one of your pages from the available drop-down. The layout can be standard, reversed and full width. The color palette can be light or dark. You can define custom colors for every part of the widget. You can also set a custom thumbnail image for the widget or even enable a slideshow. You can also display or hide the title, the tagline, the excerpt and the Read More button. Please feel free to experiment with the settings and options that are available for this widget. You can contact our support team if you need help setting up one of our themes. For an additional fee, we provide a quick and professional setup package. For more details, you can contact our support team before or after you buy one of our themes.